What's up, everyone? Okay, so today I've realised that we've got less than 2 months before we have to leave England. Aww. Emma's visa runs out on the 5th of May, so we've got to be out of the country on the 5th of May. So in that 2 months, we've still got a lot of travel to pack in. We still have to visit the last 2 of the British Isles because we want to complete that. We've been to Wales and obviously we live in Britain, but we want to visit Scotland and Ireland. So the plan is, in that 2 months, we want to, I think what we're planning to do is fly up to Scotland. My cousin's up there at the moment, so we're going to go see her, stay with her for a bit, then she's going to head back to Australia, and we're going to continue around Scotland in a camper van that we're going to rent.
Everybody push! All right.
So we're going to rent a camper van and I'm going to drive and we're going to do like I think there's about 6 or 7 castles Emma wants to see in Scotland that she's found so far. Then we're going to take a ferry to Belfast, and in Belfast we're going to visit the Giant's Causeway. I thought that was really cool. I saw it in Peter McKinnon's vlog. I'll link it down below because it was super cool. So since then we've wanted to go, and also the Titanic Museum. Because why not? And then we're going to make our way down to Dublin in the van. Now I just want anyone out there who is from Scotland or Ireland or has been there and has any recommendations of places that we must go, places that we must eat, any recommendations at all, just send me a message and just let me know what it is, and we'll add it to our list or take a look. I think I'm going to shoot a daily vlog while we're there, so it'll be like 2 weeks of just solid stuff every day, which would be pretty cool, a lot of fun. I'm still trying to find a drone. I really want one, and it would be cool to do some shots of some drone footage up there, but I'll have to wait and see. I don't know yet. It might be too difficult because then we've got to pack this place up and head back to Australia. So I don't know, that's a maybe. But before we do all that, Emma's off to Prague in 2 weeks, which is cool, and then the week after that we're off to Innsbruck in Austria. So I'm going to shoot some stuff in Innsbruck. I'm going to get her to shoot some stuff in Prague if she's willing. I'm pretty sure she will be. So I'll show her how to use this camera. Awesome. And then she can take it and shoot some stuff. Maybe. See how she feels. But yeah, so we've still got a fair bit to do. If anybody has any recommendations of stuff we should do before we leave, anything in London that we must see, let me know. I still got a bit of time. I still want to see everything. I still want to do everything. There's so much to do and so little time to do it in. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all my adventures and Emma's adventures and everything. And just let me know what you guys think. Alright, thanks guys. See you later.